question we're discussing about the 54. 3 condenser of capacity C1 is given by the 4 microfarad and C2 is given by the 2 microfarad and C3 is given by the 3 millifarad are connected such that 2 and 3 are in series. 2 and 3 are in series. The 2 and 3 are series means this is the connection of the series. This is the 2 micro millifarad and it's a 3 millifarad is connected by a series or in series. And the 4 millifarad are connected them in a parallel. See, this is the connection of the 4 is in the parallel 4 millifarad. Then we can find out is the capacitance between the A and B. What we can find out the combination of the capacitance of A and B. First we can find out the series combination. What is the formula for the effective capacitance in series? 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Then the Cs is equal to what we can add? C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Now here the C1 is equal to how much is there here? The 2. C2 is equal to how much is there here? The 3 by and 2 plus 3, that is equal to 2 into 3 6 by 5. See, this is will be the CS. Now this total combination, how much of the capacity are getting by there? 6 by 5. See, this is the 6 by 5. This is the CS and it is connected with a parallel. The parallel how much is given by there here? The 4 millifarad. Then its potential. In parallel combination, effective capacitance CP is equal to what we can CS plus the another capacitor we can write here the C3. Okay, the another capacitor what we can write here the C3 is nothing but is the first one capacitor connected by the C1. Then we can write here the CS is equal to how much is the 6 by 5 plus here the 4, that is equal to taking the LCM. See how much of the LCM is there? Here the 5 4 ja. How much is the 20? 20 plus 6, 26 by 5. Cancel, that is the 5.2 millifarad. How much is there? The 5.2 millifarad. This is the combination of its capacitor. Next, see the question number 55. Question number 55. The effective capacitance in microfarad between the A and B. Here is given by the circuit diagram. So this is the given by the circuit diagram. So what is given by the here the 2 microfarad and it is across is connected by the 12 microfarad. 12 microfarad and it's between it's another capacitor is connected by there. It is also 2 microfarad and it is across is connected by 2 microfarad. And then we can find out the combination of its capacitor. Combination of its capacitor. Now you can observing here there is 2 capacitors not in a series because of is there the between the connection. So that means this connection is taken to here. This connection is taken to here means it is this is the first capacitor. How much is there? 2 microfarad. Then it will be connected here also. How much is there? The 2 microfarad. This is the combined here. See, the here will be combined. See, that means it is the connection is taken here the position. See, then this 2 are what is the position is there? Parallel combination. What is the formula for the parallel combination? The CP is equal. Then the 2 capacitor we can adding 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4 microfarad. 4 microfarad. Now this total here how much is there? The 4 microfarad. This 4 microfarad is connected with how much is there here? The 12 microfarad. The 4 microfarad is connected with 12. See, now then it is in a series. See, what is the formula for the series? The CS is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C1 is nothing but this total combination. How much is there here? The 4 into C2 is equal to how much is there here? The 12 divided by C1 plus C2. 4 plus 12, that is equal to 4 into 12, that is equal to 48. 12 4 ja 48 into 4 plus 16. Now the 16 how many times are here cancelled by there here? The 3 times. How many times are there here? The 3 times. That is equal to here the series combination is there 3 microfarad. Now this 3 microfarad, this is the 3 microfarad here the up to complete. The denominator what is there? 2. Now it's connected with a parallel. Here is there the parallel combination. It is there the parallel combination. See, that means the parallel is equal to, how much is there? 3 microfarad plus, here how much is there here? The 2 microfarad. That is equal to 5 microfarad. This is the effective capacitance. Now we also draw the diagram. Here also will be, because of this is will be there 3 microfarad. The denominator is there the 2 microfarad. See, this is the final, the combination of this one. See how much is there? The total, the combination of its capacitor is there 5 microfarad. So next one, see 56. What is there here? The 56. In the given figure, the each capacitor is equal to the 45 microfarad. Then the equivalent capacity between A and B in the given circuit. See, now circuit is given by them. Then find out the equivalent capacitance. What is can find out here? The equivalent capacitance. See, this is the first capacitor, and it is given by the another capacitor, and it is given by the another capacitor. This is 3 capacitors connected by the, and here is taken by the A point. It is connected by the B point. But again the connected is the first capacitor is between, is connected to in a third capacitor, and the second capacitor between what is connected by a last capacitor. But here when here the connection is there between there, it is means there is no series combination. What is that? This no series combination. What is there here? A parallel combination. This is the, it will be the combination. This is the parallel combination. This is the parallel combination. Now the effective capacitance in parallel combination. What is the formula? This is considered the C1, C2, C3. Here also write the C1, C2, C3. Then effective capacitance in parallel combination C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now each capacitor of capacitance how much is given by the 45 microfarad. The 45 plus 45 plus 45, that is equal to 135 microfarad. This is the equivalent capacitance of a capacity. See, now next we are discussing about the question number 57. 4 plates, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 plates of the same area of cross section are joined as shown in a figure. The distance between each plate is D. The distance between each plate is how much is there here? The D. The equivalent capacity across A and B will be. A and B will mean, for example, this is considered the positive, it is considered the negative terminal. That means it is the plate will be have the positive plate, and it is connected to the negative means it is the plate will be have the negative, and again it is a positive. Again its plate have the negative plates. Now can find out the other capacitance. But here the parallel plate have the 2 plates, that one is the positive and one is the negative. See the positive negative, here the one of the capacitance, and here the negative and positive, again here the one of the parallel plate capacitor, and the positive and negative here also parallel plate. The total how much is there? The new capacity C dash is equal to 3 into C. How much is it? 3 into C, because of positive and negative. It is the one of the parallel plate capacitor. It is one of the parallel plate. It is the another one parallel plate capacitor. Then we can write the formula C dash is equal to 3 into C is nothing but the capacitor of capacitance of parallel plate epsilon naught A by D. This is the answer for this one, since C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Next see the question number 58. The capacitors connected to a 10 volts battery connected to a charge 40 microcoulomb with air, the dielectric and its potential 100. The charge is 100 microcoulomb with oil as the dielectric. The dielectric constant of oil is. Now here is given by the dielectric constant. The dielectric constant. See now next we are discussing about the 58 question number. A capacitor connected to 10 volts battery means the potential will be how much is there here? 10 volts. The same on each one. The charge on the 40 microcoulombs on the dielectric is there in air. Here how much is there? The charge is there 40 microcoulomb air, and 100 microcoulomb 100 microcoulomb when the is the parallel plate introducing in a oil. Oil is the direct constant what is taken by the oil. Now the dielectric constant, what we can find out this is a dielectric constant. The dielectric constant K is equal to the capacitance by capacitance of in a oil. See, that is equal, its capacitance, what is called the charge by potential, and it is also charge here. How much is there? Q naught by potential is taken by the V. The potential will be same. The potential will be same. The denominator of the denominator is take the numerator. See, that is equal to 100 by 40. That is equal to the 0 0, it gets cancelled. Now its the value is there. This is the 2.5. It is there the 40, and it is considered by the 100. This is the dielectric constant is the K is equal to 2.5.